Today we're going to take a look at this Tool Pro kit, which is a 40-piece magnetic screwdriver set, and the reason why I bought this, and let's get it open and go through it. Okay, so first of all, this case here is pretty strong. It's metal, and it's pretty light for what it is, but it is metal, so it's I don't know, lasts you a long time, I guess. It is lifetime warranty actually on this set. Now here's all your bits. And here's the handle. Now the reason why I went for a kit like this is because I wanted a bigger handle. I hate doing small little jobs where the handle is very thin and you can't get a good grip. At least with this you've got a good grip, and yeah, you could use it quite well. It comes in this little case, so it just fits in like this. Now it's all magnetic, so these are all magnetic, and this tool here, the extension tool, that's magnetic too. As you can see, and of course this part is magnetic as well, so if you put a tool in there, it won't come out. And you could also use the extension and put something in there, and it won't come out. Yeah, so it's quite heavy duty, strong materials used for this toolkit. So I'm quite happy with it. Oh, there's one more little secret compartment, which is in the back here. And you've got some extra bits there as well. So you don't have to carry everything with you if you want to go do a quick little job somewhere around the house or in the car or wherever you want to go. And you can just take this, and I would probably just leave this in here, and off you go, put it in your pocket and go. So there it is. And I'll show you how the case works. There it is, and it won't come out. And press them both and they both come out. So what do you think? Pretty good little kit? I think it is. Anyway, links are in the description if you guys want to check it out. There's heaps of them there. I would suggest the ones that's got a lifetime warranty, because obviously it's going to be made really well. They're pretty cheap actually, so they're not really expensive. And yeah, go and check them out and see what you think. Now I've got a lot of reviews coming up and first looks and a lot of tools. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you got anything out of this video, and of course hit the notification bell to get notified for my next upload. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.